Oh, it far exceeded my expectations, and I like the showroom. There was plenty of options to choose from. Yourself and everyone else that I was involved with was very knowledgeable, and they gave me plenty of options. Of course, my phone calls were always answered promptly. And I was pretty surprised at how fast you were able to deliver and install the shower doors. Oh, 100%. As a matter of fact, I have several of your business cards, and to all my friends I talk about the speed of the delivery, how well the shower door looks, how well I was treated, and really great design, and you can see it is on the shower door here.